The 600 DTF powder shaker comes in a crated box. This is how you remove the powder shaker from the box, and how you install it. You can use a crowbar and a hammer to remove the top section of the box to start with. Now remove the L brackets at the top. At the bottom you will find support screws. Remove them all along the entire length of the box. And now you can gently tap the side panel in the top corners and the panel will come off. Now grab the unit from either side and slide it off. Next, you will find accessories underneath and inside the unit. Start taking them out and place them on one side. Now remove the protection plastic and you are ready to assemble the unit. For the accessories you should have the following: a plastic handle and a bag of screws, the front heater and its mounting arms, the powdering cover, 2 stainless steel take-up rollers and their mounting arms, and 2 take-up arm controller units. Use 2 screws to fit the handle onto the front of the oven cover. Now just place the cover onto the powdering section. Next, use 4 screws to fix the mounting arms on either side of the front of the unit at the top. Remove the hand tightening screws from the front heater and mount it. Make sure that the electric attachment corresponds to the same side on the unit. Then simply slip it in place and tighten. And then plug it in. Now fix the last 2 mounting brackets to the bottom of the front of the unit using 4 screws. Then slide the take-up rollers through the mounting arms. And lastly, the take-up arm controllers. Note the controller that needs to be plugged in and put it down for now. Start with the other controller. Make the bottom section slide into the outermost take-up roller bar and rest on the innermost take-up roller bar. Then slide it to the far side. Now do the same with the main controller, and once done, just plug it in. Use the remaining hand screws to fix the take-up rollers in place. And there you go, your 600 DTF powder shaker is ready for use.
At AM.CO.za, we sell machines for you, we fix machines for you, and we teach machines for you.